Hi children, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is animals. What are animals? Animals are living things that have movement and basic needs of food, water, air and space to live. How many types of animals? Name them. There are 4 types of animals. Wild animals, domestic animals, pet animals, water animals. What are wild animals? Animals living in forest or kept in a zoo are called wild animals. What are domestic animals? Animals kept in houses or on farms are called domestic animals. What are pet animals? Animals kept in houses are called pet animals. What are water animals? Animals living in water are called water animals. Thank you for watching. Bye children.